Alright, quick update on the GP30 here. We're fixing this up. As you remember from past videos, it's a 30 that my father was working on. Just about completed. Just needs to wrap up with a few things. And one of them was some issues with the brakes and the brake tubing and so forth. He wanted air brakes in the worst way. So we worked on that, and we got it down to put in the tubing, soldered things up, so forth, and got these cylinders. We ended up redoing these, shortening these up. These are I think, Bimby cylinders, and then so that they would apply brakes for them. And so that was the plan. And so they're on. The other quick fix we did here is I always had this brass bush here. Basically, this was where the top of the bolster is always in it. This is something he always has on all of his cars and locomotives. Is he has this it was a big chunk of brass. He just chunk a piece off, machine it to length. But the problem is you're under there trying to get it on the pin. This is moving around, so countersunk it and put two screws in there. Countersunk 1032. I mean, it's going nowhere, so that'll be nice. That'll be easier for it to sit down on. Then there's a pin that goes up under here, which I think is another issue, how that's attached. So gonna have to look at that too. I think is another way to come up with a better means of locking it in. But for right now, that's it. Plan is then to do the same exact thing with the front truck, lift that off and take care of that. But that's where it is right now. That's where it stands. So I'm going to continue on that and see where we end up. And I'll post on another video. Thank you.